I'm going to show you how to turn store-bought puff pastry into a delicious and beautiful Valentine puff pastry dessert. Hi, I'm Kamala. Welcome to the Culinary Cam YouTube channel. And I'm going to be using a packaged puff pastry because you have better things to be doing on Valentine's Day than making homemade puff pastry. But I love making puff pastry and I will show you how to do that in a different clip. You just need to thaw this out. I think it said 40 minutes. Open that up and they're already floured. So I have a rolling pin not to do much rolling, but just to kind of even out those seams a little bit. You can cut this into rectangles, but I'm gonna use this 8-bit heart cookie cutter for Valentine's Day. So you're just gonna cut these and save the scraps so you can re-roll those or use them for something else. Put that cut shape onto a parchment or silicone mat lined baking sheet. We're just going to do these 6 and make a little Valentine Napoleon dessert. So we put the 8-bit puff pastry hearts in the oven, 400 degrees for between 10 and 12 minutes. And this is what they look like when they came out. Nice and beautifully puffed and golden. And then for this dessert, all you're going to do is slice them in half and then layer them with whatever deliciousness you want. You can simply do whipped cream and macerated berries. That's what one in my household is ordering. You can put in some jam, you can do ice cream, you can sprinkle it with powdered sugar when it's all assembled, and then you can drizzle it with chocolate syrup if you really want a decadent over the top Valentine's dessert. So I'm just gonna get started on assembling these puff pastry hearts. So I'm going to put 1/2 on the bottom. I'm going to put in a little dollop of whipped cream and some macerated berries. And then I'm going to put another 1/2 on for another layer. More whipped cream, more berries, and then I'm going to put the top on. And then we're going to sprinkle it with some powdered sugar. If you like that idea, check out our other appetizers on our playlist and enjoy. So if you like this video, please click like and definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.